Hey guys, back with another video for my Addict Blogging channel. So in this video I will be discussing about a new topic, which is what you will do if your OnePlus phone is lost, and if you want to protect your OnePlus phone from ever being lost, what you can do in that case. And definitely there are a lot of things you can do to protect your device from being stolen, or to recover your device if in case it is stolen in the future. But I will be discussing about some of the newer steps, newer methods or features which comes with this OnePlus phones, which can protect your phone from being stolen or help you with the recovery of the phone. So definitely this will help you to choose some of the settings and do some of the things on your phone which will help or protect your phone, and at the same time in case it is being stolen you can recover your phone also. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to sales, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the phone is running really well, and this phone is going to get the Oxygen OS 16 very soon. Although it is running on Oxygen OS 15, the 16 is coming at the end of December or January first week, which is known till now, but definitely it will be coming in batches and maybe a little bit later, but definitely it will be coming to this phone. So let's see what you can do to protect your phone first. The first thing you should be doing is going to the settings and then enable the password power off feature, which is a really good feature, and it is under the security and privacy, and you just need to go there and just scroll down, and here you need to go to more security and privacy and just scroll down and you will get the required password to power off. So this is a very important feature to turn on, because once your phone is stolen, the first thing the person will be doing is to switch off your phone, and if you activate this feature then definitely the person will not be able to turn off your phone without a passcode. So I have already set it up and you can see what is written in here, and if I try to power it off, you will see I will not be able to power off directly as it will ask for a password. So very important feature to turn on to protect your phone after being stolen, to recover it. And obviously you should be activating this feature right away, and it is available on most of the phones including the OnePlus Oxygen OS 15 and 16 phones. So definitely this is what you should be doing, and there are some other features also which you can activate, but I will go directly the next step which you should be doing, and this will help you to recover your phone also. The next step you should be doing is obviously install the Find My Device option or the Find Hub, which refers to the same app but now the name has been changed. So obviously you just search for Find and it will be there, Find Hub. If it is not there, you can just go to the Play Store and search for Find My Phone, and obviously you can install this app. And once installed, you need to just open the app, and once it is opened you will get a lot of features or functions which you can use to recover your device in case it is lost. So here you can see I have the OnePlus Nord Z4, but a lot of multiple devices which are connected, and obviously there are a lot more devices which I have not connected right now, like my Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 or the Watch 4 and other important devices also. So here you can activate delocation so that your location should be tracked all the time, and here what you can do is you can just click on the device which has been lost and click on the secure device or get directions to get the direction of the device where it has been lost, or in case your phone is switched off, it will show the last location from where you can see in the map where it has been last seen. So very important feature to recover your device. So here you can see it is showing all the devices right now. I will try to locate this phone from another device. So this is my Nothing phone, and obviously I have installed the Find Hub here also, and I will just search for the Find Hub app, and here is the app for me. I will click on this, and obviously I will get a lot more option here because I have configured the app in this phone particularly. So it is showing most of the devices which I have, and now if I want to search this one, that is the OnePlus Nord Z4, I can click on this and I have some of the options like I can see the battery percentage, the name, I can play sound, mark as lost or get directions. So once I click on get direction, I will be getting all the specific direction of the phone and also some of the latitude, longitude with the location, and I can just get the direction. Just like you go from one location to another location, I can get the location direction also. And obviously here I can measure distance also, how much distance I need to go from here to find the phone. So this is what I can do. At the same time, I can do something more, like I can play the sound or mark as lost. So the Find Help network will be searching for the device if I mark it lost, and obviously the device will be locked, and at the same time it will be signed off of all Google accounts so that my data should be protected, and payment cards will be removed also. Another thing which you should be doing in case your phone is lost, to find it more easily, is go to the settings of the app. You need to click on here. You will be getting the settings option, and you will be getting this new option which is the Find Hub. You just need to scroll down a little bit and click on Find Your Offline Devices. So in the Find Your Offline Devices, you need to make sure that you have selected this option so that you can recover the offline device also. So every now and then what the Google will do is locate and store the location information for this phone, and once it will be lost, it will just show you all the location where it has been tracked or it has been last found. So it is a very important option to activate so that you will be recovering your phone in case it is lost absolutely. So apart from that, you can also just click on the remote lock option, and obviously you can activate the remote lock also. So what remote lock does is, if your device is absolutely lost, you can just remotely lock your device from this device, and obviously your account or your phone will be locked at that time, and the person who has stolen the device will not be able to use it. So very important function, and obviously it will just lock the device but not wipe out any data or remove the Google account. So this is a little bit different thing from the other options which the Find Hub app has. So very importantly, activate this option also. I will be recommending you to enable the Google location sharing. So if you are sharing your location, then the tracking of the lost device will be easier, because it will track the device a little bit more easily. So these are the things which you can do to track your lost device, or to configure these settings which can help you to find a lost device in case your phone is lost. And obviously there are these options which are very important options to activate, and you can change the phone name and do a lot of things also in there. So that's it. I wanted to show you about the settings which you can configure to get the device or find a device in case it is lost. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.